Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by ensuring you have edit or page owner permissions so changes persist. Without that, you can't add a list. Once done, choose the right list type, custom list for structured items or an issue tracker for tasks, because the choice affects columns and views. Now, open the Sharepoint page in edit mode and select Add a Web Part. This first action places the list container on the page and prepares you to configure columns and appearance. Once the list web part is placed, configure columns to capture the data you need. Use choice fields for controlled options and date fields for timelines, because good columns make filtering and reporting simple. Then adjust the view. Apply filters, group by a key column, and set sort order to surface priority items. Compact layout saves space. Finally, open list settings to enable versioning or limit who can edit items, since these controls prevent accidental data loss and support audits. You're ready to save and publish the page. Add a test item and edit it to confirm behavior, because verifying now avoids user frustration later. If users report they can't add items, make sure their group membership matches the list permissions and double-check site-level sharing settings. Mismatched permissions are the most common problem. If data looks wrong, use version history and list settings to restore previous entries and audit who changed what to quickly resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.